Hi, my name is Ken Gray, and I'm a certified T'ai Chi Chih instructor for HSS. T'ai Chi Chih is an American adaptation of many of the classic movements of Tai Chi Chuan, a martial art. T'ai Chi Chih transforms the martial aspect of these movements into soft, gentle, and circular movements. Because the movements of T'ai Chi Chih are repetitive in nature, it's very easy to learn and may have benefits such as stress relief, improving balance, quality of sleep, and bone density. Today, I'm going to demonstrate 2 of the 19 Tai Chi Chih exercises and also our stillness pose. We always start from stillness, grounding the feet into the earth, palms facing the earth, relaxing. And our first movement, which is called push-pull, where we're going to shift the weight to the right foot, hands up to about heart level, left foot forward. And as we push the hands forward, we shift the weight to the front foot, turn the hands, and shift the weight to the back foot. And alternately pushing forward and pulling back. And let's go forward again. And back very softly. Let's do one more time. Releasing to the front, releasing to the back. Bring the feet back together, into stillness, sinking down, grounding into the earth, relax. Breathe out. Let's do the other side. Weight on the left foot. Hands up, and right foot forward. Same thing. Shifting the weight forward with the hands, turning, coming back. And it's a very continuous circular movement. And let's do one more time. Shift the weight back, feet together, and breathe out, again, sinking down into the earth through the soles of the feet. And relax. So that's a little sample of our Tai Chi Chih form of 19 movements, and I hope you'll join us at HSS. My name is Ken Gray.